Hey there, and welcome to this week's episode where we're going to be looking at how to embed a video into a text document in PT Distinction, allowing you to pretty much make a LMS style learning module right within the app and the software. So first of all, why might you want to go and do this, and why am I talking about this today? Well, one of the things we get asked all the time over at PT Ninja is, Ash, how do you make these text documents look so good? How do you actually turn PT Distinction into a kind of course-based program that you can deliver to people? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And more importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a text document from this into something that looks like this. And if you want to learn how to go and do that, then make sure you stick around in this video. So as you can see now on the screen, we have a branded text document. This is actually one of the white label pieces of content we have over in the academy, in the course over at PTD Ninja. And what I want to specifically look at today is how I've actually done this. How did I take this document, make it look like this, with all this information on there to make it really cool and interactive for your clients? But more importantly, how did I take this video, give it a actual thumbnail, and actually embed it directly into this document so that your clients can actually watch this video and interact on this document? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Now, there's a number of different things you need in place for this. Of course, you're going to need a PT Distinction account in order to go and do it. Now, I'm going to use Canva to go and create an image, and I'm going to show you exactly how to go and do that as well. That image is going to be used for your thumbnail. I'm also going to use a little bit of code. Now, I'm actually going to go and give you that code as well. I've got it written up here in this document. Now, you can obviously take a screenshot of this, but if you want a copy of this document with this code, then all you got to do is comment below and just type code, and I'll send this straight over to you. So let's dig into how we're going to go and set this up. The first thing we want to go and do is decide on what video we want to go and add into PT Distinction and what you want to go and put into that document. First thing you want to do is go and create that video or find that video. Once you've done that, what you need to do is go and upload that video into your library in PT Distinction. So in your PT Distinction account, head over to library and go to coaching. Now, we're not going to put this into any group yet. We're not going to put this into any client account. We're just going to store the video in here. So all your videos you can see are stored down here. To upload a video, just click the add button, click video, and then put in the title here. When you're doing this, you want to make sure you're storing the actual video. So even though you have the option to use YouTube or Vimeo, I wouldn't recommend doing that. There is a way to do that within these text documents, but for the purpose of this video, let's just keep it nice and simple. Let's assume you own the rights to it, and it just means that YouTube, if they change something, or Vimeo, if they change something, you're not going to lose that integration. So it's really important that you do store this directly. So you're going to upload this, browse your files, and put it into your template. So you've got this in here. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Once you've done that, we need to then go and think of a thumbnail for this video. So when you upload a video into here, let me just click on this one as an example. You can see here on this video, there's no real thumbnail. It's just the first shot of that video. I want to go and add a thumbnail in here so it appears in that text document so that when we go through it, your clients see it, it actually looks pretty cool. It actually looks like something that's, I want to click on that. I want to get involved with it. It looks like it's supposed to be there. So how do we go and do that? Well, the first thing to do is go and create that thumbnail. So to create the thumbnail, we're going to head over, and I'm going to use Canva. Now, you can use a free version of Canva for this. It's entirely up to you, but I've got the paid version on here. And at the top, you're going to click on templates, and just type in YouTube. This is the easiest way to do it. And you're going to look for YouTube thumbnails. Doesn't really matter which one you pick. Just pick one you feel comfortable with. And once you've opened that up, just click Customize Template. Now, what this is going to do at the very least is just give you the right sizes for this. Now, of course, you can edit and change this however you like. You can take some pictures out. You can change the text. You can do whatever you want on this. Put any information you need for that thumbnail and make it however you want to go and make it. Now, once you've created that thumbnail, you want to go up to the top corner here. You want to go and download it. And you're going to go and download it as a PNG up at the top. So PNG, by clicking the download. Now, once you've downloaded that, you're then going to head back into your PT Distinction account. And this time what we're going to do, a little bit of workaround, we're going to put this into your example client's progress photos. So you might be asking, why would I want to go and put this into my example client's progress photos? Well, the reason is we need somewhere to go and store this image. And if you want to store this within inside PT Distinction, that's probably the easiest way to go and do it. Now, of course, you can go and store this on your website or any other media storage that you've got. That's completely fine. But I want to try and keep all this in one place. So let's go and do this in PT Distinction. So I'm going to head up into the search bar at the top, and I'm going to type in example. I'm going to open up the example client over here. And in the example client, I'm going to go over to the tools, and we're going to go and click on progress photos. So you can actually see I've got lots of other images in here at the moment. I'm actually going to click add photo. And all I'm going to do is in here, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to add in Open up here. I'm going to actually add in the image that I've just downloaded into here. So once I've uploaded that image into here, it's going to upload and it will look a little bit like this. Once you've saved it and it's uploaded, click on the image and you will see it looks like this over here. And that's the bit we're going to need. So now we've got our photo uploaded for our thumbnail. We've now got our video uploaded into the library, ready for our actual video. We now need to go and do some editing with some code. And that's where this document is going to come in handy. So here we actually have a document of some code that I put together. We're going to add, where I've bolded it out here, the relevant links to the image and to the video down here that you put in. I'm going to show you how to get these links and we're going to pop them in. Then once you've done that, we're going to use that code in a text document to make it appear. So, ready? Let's dig into it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our photo image here. So this first link is going to be the photo image. So to get that, over in your PTD Distinction, make sure you're viewing the progress photo. So you want to make sure you saved it, click on it, and then view it. And then you're going to right click and click copy image address. You're then going to head over to your code. Again, you can download this. Again, type code below and I'll send it through to you. Highlight that and you're just going to go Control V and paste it in. So you've got your code that's in here now. You can see that's all ready to go. Now, once that's done, we need to go and put in the video. And this is going to be the source of where the video is stored. So we're going to head back over to PTD Distinction. And what we're going to do this time is go to your library and then we're going to go into your coaching. And you're going to go and find the video that you've uploaded. So take hold of this, head to videos, find the video you want. Once you've found the video, you're then going to hover over the video. You're going to right click it and then you're going to click copy video address. Really important that you click this one here, copy video address. Once you've copied that video address, you're going to head back over into your document. You're going to highlight this down here, to the second bold bit here, and then you're going to go and paste that into Control V and paste it in. So you can see we have our video code in here. So now once you've got that link in there for the video, and then this link in here for the image, our code is now ready to be added into a text document. So here's your next question, Ash. How do we add code into a text document? I've never seen a coding option in there. Well, I'm going to show you right now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to head over and find a text document. So in here, we've got a number of different items. I'm going to go and create one from scratch in here. Of course, all this other stuff that you see on here, like the headers, the images, you can just little images, you can add in any formatting you want. All this stuff is possible in that text document. I'm not going to worry too much about that on this video. I'll cover that in other videos about how to really brand all these things out and make them look pretty cool. What I want to focus on really is just how to embed these videos in. So in order to go and do that, what we're going to do is go and create a new document. So I'm going to click the add button and I'm going to click text. So we're going to give our document a title. So let's just call this test video doc. And then inside here, you can put in whatever you want in here. So you can put in a header at the top here. You can then highlight that. Again, I'd recommend using the correct formatting for this. So let's do formatting heading. I like to center that. We can add a little bit of text in here as well with whatever information we need for that. Again, you can center that if you want to, or you can put it to one side, however you want to go and do this. And basically put in whatever information you want to. If you want to put images in there, you can do that by clicking this icon here, putting in your image, however you want to do this. Now what I'm going to do is go and put in this code. So I'm going to show you the simplest way of going to do this. The simplest way to do this is to first give you some kind of marker on this document. So I'm just going to put in here code, just to make it nice and easy. So you can see code. And what I want you to do now is highlight this, and then you're going to right click over the bit you've highlighted. And what you're going to do is look for something that says inspect. So you can see inspect down here. And when you do that, it's going to open up a panel to the side. It's going to look really, really scary if you're not used to coding, but don't worry about it. It should be quite simple because what you've done here is you've highlighted this, you've right-clicked inspect, and you'll notice in this column at the side here, something is actually highlighted already. So this bit here that's highlighted is related to the code that allows us to see this here. We're now going to go and replace this with our own code. So we're going to head over to our document over here, and we're going to copy this code right the way from the div at the top all the way to the one at the bottom. We're going to Command C and copy that. Now heading back over here, I'm now going to hover over that highlighted piece of code in here. We're going to right click it and we're going to click edit HTML. Now don't worry, you're not going to break anything by doing this. We're going to click over the top and you're going to select all of that and you're going to delete it. Now what you're going to do is replace that by pasting in all the code that we copied from before. So you can see all that code in here. Everything's already set up for you. You've got the right links in and we're going to click off of that. And there you go. You can see that image and the video is now embedded into this document. Now, once you've done that, you can hit save. And then you can go and close this off. So now if we actually go and look for that test document, so I'm going to go test video doc. We can see that video is now embedded into here. We've got our thumbnail on and we can click this image here to actually watch and use the video, and it's got any other formatting around it. So once you've formatted everything for that document, you've got it already, you can then start using that in a client's account. To do that, you can click on here and you can click copy to client or group and copy to any client or group that you like. Of course, you can just go into the client's account or into the group. It's entirely up to you. And then you can go and add that document in. I'll just show you how to go and add that into the account. So to add that in, just click the add button, hit coaching, and then you can go to text document, in this case, copy from library, and find your test document to go and add in. I'm just going to go and add in the example one that I've already got set up I made earlier. You can see that's now copied and ready to go with all the video and everything else in that I've done for the formatting. I can click save that text document, put it into any folder that I need to, or just click save for now and drop that in, and I can even go and schedule it. And I can now do that for any kind of group. I can do that for any piece of content I've set up. I can do it for any client's account, however I want, basically, to go and add all these different things here. So you can see that content is now in and ready to go for that particular client. So there you have it. That is how you embed a video into a text document to make it look kind of cool, to add your own thumbnails onto it, and so on. As always with these, if you've got any questions whatsoever, please do let us know in the comments. And if you're interested in getting a copy of that document with that code so you can do this, just comment code below. And if you're watching on YouTube, please consider subscribing and liking this video. It really does help show this to more people and really helps us out on our end. And again, if you do that and comment below, I'll send you a copy of that code through so you can embed your own videos into these text documents. Now, if you need any extra help and support when it comes to building, launching, and growing a successful online fitness business, specifically with PT Distinction, then come and get in touch with us over at PT Ninja. We have one of the most advanced done-for-you services on the market when it comes to setting up any kind of online coaching program for our clients. We specialize in using PT Distinction. We can set up everything for you. We can do all the branding and documentation and coding, create all the content for you, do all the integrations for you, build out lead magnets, challenges, flagship programs, membership programs. We'll even create all the sales pages, all the sales copy, add things to your websites, and do all the integration so you have a fully functioning lead generation and client delivery system with nearly 2 years of pre-built out content. Now, if you want help and support in how we can help you do that, then make sure you head over to ptninja.com and get in touch with us, and we'll go from there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Any questions, as always, please let us know in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next video.